I'm Vanessa Hoffman, Sales Representative of Keller Williams Energy, and welcome to 658 Amaretto in Pickering. This gorgeous home has 3+2 bedrooms, 4 bathrooms. The basement is fully finished with 2 additional bedrooms and a full bathroom. It's on a large lot close to great schools, parks, 407 and 412. Call me today to book your private showing, 905-409-9166 or salesvanessahoffman.com. Remember, there's no stopping when you work with Hoffman, and enjoy your tour.